Hi everyone, this is my old REI Ruckpack backpack that I've had for 8 years now. It's been a great backpack, but I've been doing a lot more photography and I felt like I needed a photography bag that can protect my gear better than this soft backpack shape. So I am upgrading to a photography backpack made by HoldLand called the Creator Backpack. This backpack was $215, and if you get the hip belt and rain cover, they give you a discount on all three actually. And so that's what I did. I got all three and got a little bit of a discount for $265 total. So overall, this backpack has a lot of storage compartments, 2 laptop sleeves, tons of storage for photography stuff, and I really like the way it looks. The chest strap is nice and it can slide up and down depending on how big your shoulders are. The back ventilation is nice, just similar to my REI backpack. I appreciate that they put design into the ventilation because I am a sweaty boy. And there's tons of storage in here. There's cord storage, SD card slots, and lots of room to customize that photography area. It's all Velcro, so you can change things around and adjust it for what camera setup you have for like DSLRs or a bunch of GoPros. There's a nice bottom strap that you can grab onto, and I'm going to start putting my stuff in here like my DJI drone and the remote. And again, here's how you can adjust things. It's very easy. It's all Velcro and holds its shape very well as you adjust things. I have another DJI gimbal. I'm going to throw that in here. It's hard to decide where things go and where's the best spot going to be, but I'll figure that over time. I like the way that it zips up on the back so it's protected. And then there's another secret pocket here on the side, which is soft and fuzzy on the inside. I'm going to keep my other phone in there. To the top of the backpack, this compartment actually goes into this sleeve, which you can also unzip on the other side. And I'll show you that here now. So you can see there's the gimbal on top. So that on top of the backpack, when you first open it from the other side, is the things on the top. It has 2 laptop sleeves. This back one fits a 17-inch laptop. This is a 16-inch laptop, and it also fits in that front sleeve, which I think could be an iPad sleeve. Great design, actually. And then there's one more zipper here on the front diagonally, which gives you access to this front compartment. Lots of storage. Nice job, HoldLand. There's 2 cup holders which are stretchy and they fit big bottles. Like here's a big blender bottle. Fits fine in there with the stretchy elastic. And also same size on the other side of the backpack. A tripod would fit really well in that strap. And I'm going to continue putting things back in the back of the backpack. I love these little SD card slots. Very nice design. And I have a ton of SD cards, so I'll always know where they are now. I've received 2 GoPro knockoffs from Chinese companies. If you want to check out those reviews, I'll link them here now. I'm going to throw them also in my photography backpack. And I also got this hip belt, which was actually kind of confusing on how to set up. I'll show you that here now. You can see that it slides up and down. And I was like, well, that doesn't feel right. I'll show you how you can fix that. But first, here's the Rainfly. They have their little logo on the outside in matte graphite. And this is where you're supposed to put that Rainfly when you're not using it, is in this Velcro strap. This is how it looks on the bag. And I'll show you on the side of the bag, there's these clips. And those actually go into the hip belt zipper there. And there's another side of the clip inside that zipper. It was a little confusing at first, but I'll show you here now where those clip in. Okay, so inside there's a hole here where the clip goes through, and you need to unzip the hip belt, find the clip on the other side, feed it through, and clip it. There's the other side of the clip, and clip that in, and then make it look nice and pretty. Okay, we're gonna do both sides and make sure they're clipped in now. There's one, and you can zip it back up. The reason that those hip belts zip up is that you can put lenses in there. It almost looks like a cup holder, but the hip belt opens up and you can put extra camera lenses in here. Here's the other side. Click, you heard that click, and then there's the camera lens holder there if you're walking around and need an extra camera lens holder. It's a decent idea. I don't think I'll use it very much, but I just wanted the hip belt to redistribute the weight when I'm gonna go hiking with this backpack. And now that those are clipped in, the hip belt won't go up and down. It doesn't make it a little bit harder to access the zippers, but it's not too bad actually. I'm gonna shove the rain fly in there. They don't have a Velcro thing that connects to the other side, so when you take it out, make sure you don't lose it and put it back in the compartment. Overall, I really like the way that this backpack looks. It's very aesthetic. The buckles are nice. It kind of reminds me of the douchebag or DB bags that John Olson makes. They have nice buckles like that, but the name of this company is much better than DB, prior named douchebags. What a terribly named company. Who names a company douchebag, honestly? And that's why I bought this HoldLand Creator backpack. It's much better named, and the people that made this backpack, the Divines, are nice people, and I respect their work, so I thought I would support them. They are local to me, so I thought I'd buy this backpack and support them versus just like another REI backpack. And other photography backpacks are hundreds of dollars, so I thought I'd give this a try. Anyways, if you're looking at the HoldLand Creator backpack, I would recommend it. It looks good. It has a strong, sturdy case. It is quite a bit of money, but if you're on the fence, I do think it's worth the money, and it'll probably protect your gear for a long time coming. Thanks for watching, y'all, and please like and subscribe.